What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man back with another video for you guys. If you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video that drops on the channel, man. We got another early unboxing for you guys. I done brought you guys a couple of dope early unboxings already, man. Make sure you go check out the videos and make sure you go check out the review and on feet over the Air Jordan 5 Red. I did an early unboxing over the Air Jordan 4 Neons or Air Max 95s, whichever one you want to call them, man. Both very dope sneakers, man. Make sure you go check it out right now, man. I just dropped the review and on feet over these Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Desert Sage, man. It's the same day. I was like, man, let me go ahead and knock out this unboxing over these early heat because I really want to check them out myself, see how they look, check the quality out before I actually get to the review and on feet over these joints, man. So yeah, check this out and check out all the other videos that I've dropped for you guys this week. I've been dropping some dope content for you guys and I know you guys are enjoying it, but please hit the like button right now for your boy to go for every video. It's over 100 likes, so you guys have been doing that pretty much every single video, so I really appreciate it. And if you don't mind, head over to IG right now and follow your boy at The Vintage World. Of course, it'll be linked down below in the description box, and that'd be greatly appreciated, man. So let's go ahead and jump right into this package, man. I got this from Drama, the manager. He was the one that actually gave me the info about why the release is getting pushed back for the Jordans and stuff. It's pretty much because of the coronavirus and the shipments coming from overseas, but a couple of shoes have landed, a couple of Jordans have reached some retail stores, and I guess he was able to get his hands on some of these from one of those retail stores, man. So we're gonna get into it real quick. I don't even know how to open this joint, honestly. He overnight shipped these things to me. I really appreciate it. And I'm gonna link them down below if you want to get you a pair of early sneakers from him as well. This is my first time getting anything from him, so we're gonna go in here and see what these sneakers is looking like, man. So let's get into the box right quick. Let's go. It's a lot of tape on this joint, like, man. Come on. All right, more tape. Man, these things are secure like a mug, man. I appreciate it. All right, we're gonna peel this thing open. There's more tape. Oh my God. I need to like hurry up and show the shoe. Okay, there we go. Let's peel this open, peel this back, and here you have it. Check them out. Yes, sir. Your boy got an early pair of Jordan 1s. You guys should already know what these joints are. I've been telling you guys that I picked up a couple of early pairs, and this right here is by far probably going to be my favorite. But we're going to see how it looks in hand, see how the quality is looking. And this is my first time actually having a pair of this color. I know, like, shut up and show the shoe. So here we have it. Let's get into it. All right, let's get this thing out. Shouts out to Drama, the manager, for securing these joints. And yeah, Air Jordan 1 box. You see the Nike on top. You see the Nike over here. You know how the Air Jordan 1 boxes come. And the official colorway is court purple, black, and white. And of course, I got these joints in a size 9. And as you guys do know as well, they raised the retail price on the Jordan 1s by $10 to $170. I don't know why. Jordan was like, let's go ahead and increase the price a little bit more on the ones. And they've been mass producing these joints. So just get used to spending that extra $10 for your Air Jordan 1s, man. Air Jordan 1 High Retro OG. And let's get these things out the box. Here you have it. Air Jordan 1 court purple, and the leather on these joints is looking nice. I am not even gonna lie, these joints is dope, bro. As y'all do know, they released a pair of court purples a while back. I think it had a little more black in the court purples, but this one right here is like predominantly white. You got white on the outer panel, you got white on the toe box, the midsole is white, and you get a couple black hits, of course, man. But these joints, I'm liking them. I've never been the one to cop like a purple shoe, I guess you could say, and now that I finally have one in my collection, and I'm honestly liking these. You guys do know Jordan 1's been growing on everybody, and especially me the last couple years. They've been like mass producing Air Jordan 1's, and I fell for it, and your boy's been loving copping these Air Jordan 1's, man. I had to get these joints early. These released in like April, I think. So these joints is like a couple months early for you guys. And I was happy to bring it to you. I was happy that I could find somebody that was selling these joints. And I finally got them here today, man. Overnighted them. And I was like, let me go ahead and record the video tonight. I'm not going to drop it until Sunday morning. So you're going to be seeing this video Sunday morning. And I know you guys are excited to see the review and on feet over these, man. But it's real dark tonight. I was like, man, let me go ahead and knock this out. Let's do an early unboxing, you feel me? Over a pair of Jordans. And of course, it is the Air Jordan 1 court purple, man. Let me know right now in the comment section below if you're feeling these, if you're gonna be copping, if you're gonna be dropping. But me, of course, it was a cop for me. I paid a little bit extra to get these joints early and to bring you guys this review and on feet. And I think everybody knows like the new standard for Jordan 1s is for all of them to sell out. Even the Air Jordan 1s that released today, the Racer Blues that dropped this morning, I think that's what they call it, the all white shoe to look like a knockoff Dior 1s. I was gonna make a video about both of those sneakers, but they had a release and I didn't even know they released this morning, and of course I took an L. But maybe I can get my hands on them. Maybe somebody around San Antonio has them so I can review them and show you guys some differences between the Dior's and the Racer Blues, because it's not that much of a difference. And I want to get people's opinion on spending $200 versus $2,000 for an Air Jordan 1 that looks pretty much the same, man. Jordan Brand always does this to us. Like the Air Jordan 3, we the best. They have we the best on the back. And then they dropped the Air Jordan 3 Shys and the Air Jordan 3 Unites. But they pretty much look identical. Of course, there's a few differences, but the similarities is off the chain, man. But these right here are very dope. Also seeing a pair of Air Jordan 1 low core purples, the 1.0s with the black panels. And I was gonna cop them, but I was like, might as well put that money towards copping these joints early and to give you guys a review on feet. So I'm happy with this purchase. I'm glad I finally have them in the collection. And yeah, man, Jordan 1s is just, I don't know, Jordan 1s is just, it's just crazy, bro. Like everybody loves Jordan 1s now, and I myself do as well, man. And I think a lot of that has to do with, you know, Travis Scott collaborating with Jordan Brand and a couple other Air Jordan 1 collaborations Jordan has did in the past, man. So Jordan 1s is dope. Everybody loving them, and of course you see Jordan Brand kind of caught on to people loving the Jordan 1s, and they raised the retail price up $10, bro. So who knows, maybe Jordan Brand raises the retail price to $190 like all the other Air Jordans. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you're going after these, and let me know if you cannot wait for this review and on feet over these joints. I think they dope. I know they're gonna look dope on feet, but this is my first like purple Air Jordan 1. This is my first time. I took an L on the 1.0s that dropped with these, and I was happy to get these joints in the collection, man. Thank you guys for tuning into this early unboxing. If you're new to the channel, right now what you need to do is subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss another video that drops on the channel or a live stream, whatever I do. Like the video right now to go for every video is over 100 likes. I know you guys can help me get there. Head over to IG. The link will be in the description box below so you can follow me at The Vintage World. I appreciate all of the support. Thank everybody for tuning in. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. It might be the review on feet over these, or it might be the review on feet over the Air Jordan 4 neons that you guys see over there, man. So I appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.